Hi, today for the Zenfone 10 and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So first hold for a while home screen with your finger and then tap to the widgets icon. After that you'll see here all of the available applications with widgets you could add. For example, the calendar application got two different types of the widget. Just hold for a while the widget and drag it to your home screen. If you want to move the widget on the screen or between the screens, you should just hold and drag it. To resize the widget, hold it for a while and after that you could make it bigger or smaller. And to move it from the home screen, hold it and drag it to remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.